Hello, everyone. I hope you all had a great first week, and I hope you're excited about week 2 together in our class. Now that you guys are going to get kind of getting adjusted, I just wanted to give you a little bit of an idea of what we're going to be covering this week in our class. Um, you'll notice this week kind of starts out with chapter 1. We look at the career decision-making process. You look at the PowerPoint on kind of like the key points of the chapter. Um, the main thing I want you to kind of understand about the first chapter is basically the career decision making process, which we're going to be doing together for the next 8 weeks or so, which is really looking at how does someone really make a career decision. It should start with self assessment, looking at ourselves, what are our interests, what are our values, what do we like, and then weighing out our options, doing research, weighing the pros and cons, making a decision, and then planning and implementing the decision. So once we decide, how do we get into, like, let's say I decide I want to be an engineer, what type of engineer and how do I get there? So that's what we're going to be doing the next 8 weeks together. So that chapter and those first kind of PowerPoints are kind of interesting information. And then I just want to summarize quickly what you have you're responsible for this week. So let me share my screen because I'm going to show you our Canvas. So basically this week, week 2, you're going to be watching 2 videos and writing a discussion post, a response to the questions I posed in the assignment. Your initial post is due Thursday by midnight. That's important. All of our discussions, you'll need to post your initial post on Thursday, which allows everyone time to read everyone's and respond. And you need to respond to 2 classmates' posts by Sunday at midnight. That's one assignment that you have that you're responsible for this week. A second assignment you have this week is pretty important, which is taking the Myers-Briggs and Strong Interest Inventory assessments. I give you directions here, so make sure you watch the video and read the directions. And then you'll click here to complete the assessments, and it takes you to an external link. And so you'll click here, it will take you to the assessment center website where you will create an account and complete the assessments. So 2 major things you're doing this week. 1 is the discussion, the weekly discussion post, and 2 is completing the assessments. The assessments are due by Sunday at midnight, and they'll take you about an hour and a half. Well, I would plan for an hour and a half. Also, you'll see I published the 1-hour appointment assignment. So before this semester is over, you need to meet with a career counselor. Really, it should either be myself or Professor Stephanie Yao or one of our other career counselors. And that's a mandatory kind of assignment in our class where we want to make sure you meet individually with us, where we can go over your assessment results with you. And that's pretty much it for this week. I just wanted to quickly show you kind of what you're responsible for this week. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to let us know. But I hope you have a wonderful week 2 of our semester.